Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Indian authorities have uncovered a widespread espionage network operating across Haryana and Punjab, involving individuals allegedly working for Pakistan's inter-services intelligence. Multiple arrests have been made, including a hawker from Karyana and a Haryana-based travel blogger, both accused of leaking sensitive national information. Nauman Elahi, a resident of Karyana, was arrested by the Haryana Crime Investigation Agency. 8 passports were recovered from his possession. Nauman reportedly shared confidential details about railway stations and critical infrastructures with ISI handler while residing in India. He had traveled to Pakistan 4 times for training and was in contact with approximately 150 individuals in Panipat. He was believed to be recruited by Iqbal Karna, a former Karyana resident who fled to Pakistan in 1995 after being exposed as an ISI agent. Kana is alleged to have created a local spy network by recruiting vulnerable youth from Karyana. In a related development, 6 other Indian nationalists were arrested for similar offences. Among them was Jyoti Malhotra, a travel vlogger who ran the YouTube channel Travel with Jo. She had visited Pakistan in 2023 and developed close ties with Ehsaas Ramit, alias Danish, a staff member at the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi. Danish, who was expelled by the Indian government on May 13, 2025, reportedly introduced her to multiple Pakistani intelligence operatives. Jyoti allegedly remained in contact with them, agents via encrypted platforms such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and Snapchat, and shared sensitive location-based information. She also engaged in a personal relationship with one of the operators and traveled to Bali with him. Authorities have charged her under Section 152 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and relevant sections of the Official Secret Act 1923. Further investigations had led to the arrest of others involved in the network. Those include Guzala, a 32-year-old widow from Malerkotla who received money from Danish and acted as a financial conduct. Banu Nasira, another widow who bought a Pakistani visa alongside Guzala. Yameen Muhammad, who arrested associated with transactions and visas. Devinder Singh Tillon, a student from Kaithal, who allegedly shared videos of Patiala cantonment, and Arman from Nuh, Haryana, who provided Indian SIM cards and carried out tasks such as visiting the Defence Expo 2025 on ISI instructions. Authorities believe these individuals were targeted based on social and emotional vulnerabilities and manipulated using promise of marriage, monetary incentives, and ideological persuasion. All suspects are reported to have confessed, and investigations to trace other collaborations are ongoing.
ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਏਜੰਸੀ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੋਕਲ ਲੜਕੀ ਸੀ 32 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਫਰਵਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਐਮਬੈਸੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਵੀਜ਼ੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਮਬੈਸੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਚਾਹੀ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਲਚ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ 20,000 ਰੁਪਇਆ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਟੋਟਲ 30,000 ਤੱਕ ਦੀ ਪੇਮੈਂਟ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ पहले व्हाट्सएप पे करते थे, टेलीग्राम पे इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करते थे।
कल हमने एक इनपुट के आधार पर ज्योति रानी पुत्री हरीश कुमार आरओ अग्रसेन एक्सटेंशन हिसार को ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट एक्ट और 152 बीएनएस के अंतर्गत अरेस्ट किया है। इसके पास प्राप्त मोबाइल और लैपटॉप से हमें कुछ संदिग्ध सामग्री प्राप्त हुई है। इसको हमने 5 दिन की रिमांड पे लिया है, पूछताछ जारी है। यह लगातार पाकिस्तानी नागरिक के संपर्क में थी, उसके बारे में इससे पूछताछ की जाएगी।
That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.